In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a job or project for a customer in our system. This guide is perfect for those of you who are managing multiple clients and need to keep your projects well organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to do it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Customers tab. This is your starting point for accessing all customer-related information. Once you've accessed the Customer section, take a moment to scroll through your list of customers. It's designed to be intuitive, so finding the client you're looking for should be straightforward. Once you locate the customer for whom you want to add a new job or project, go ahead and click on their name. This will bring up their specific details. Now, take a look at the options available to you on this page. You'll see an option to add job and another to add project. Depending on the nature of your work, you might use these terms interchangeably, but it's important to recognize that each might serve a different purpose in managing your tasks. Click on the button that best aligns with what you're adding. If you're unsure at this point, don't worry, as you can always modify details later. Clicking one of these buttons will open up a new window or dialog box, prompting you to enter the details of the job or project you wish to add. This is an essential step where you'll need to fill in various details. The more information you provide at this stage, the easier it will be to manage your projects later. Start by naming the job or project clearly, something that will immediately make sense to anyone who looks at it. Consider including precise dates, a brief description of the work involved, or any specific instructions that need to be outlined. This description will serve as a reference point for you and anyone else who accesses this information. Once you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Ensure there are no typos and that all the instructions and descriptions are clearly articulated. It's better to catch any errors now rather than having to make changes later. When you're confident everything is accurate, click on Save. This action will officially record the job or project under that customer's profile, allowing you to track progress or make any future updates as needed. By following these steps, you'll ensure the projects or jobs are always neatly organized under the right customer, making for an efficient workflow. Whether you're managing one client or many, this method helps maintain clarity and trackability. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this process makes your project management smoother and more effective.